I feel like having a dessert, but at the same time, I want it to be more simple. I just bought a pound cake, but I want something more. So I thought of making a trifle pudding. Let's go through how to go about. What I need is milk, custard, sugar, whipped cream, canned pineapple and a pound cake. For this, I shall boil the milk. With 500 ml of milk, I shall keep aside approximately 100 ml so that I can mix the custard powder in it. I shall add some sugar. I shall mix the custard and some room temperature milk which I have kept aside. I shall make sure that there's no lumps while doing this. Now that the milk is boiling, I shall add the mixture of milk and custard. It's better to keep stirring so that there's no lumps formed. Now it is the right consistency. I can switch it off and I shall allow this to cool. While this is going to come to a room temperature, I shall prepare the cake and the cream. While my custard is cooling, I shall whip some cream. While my cream is whipping, I shall set my cake. I made it into 3 equal parts so that I can arrange it in the same level in the bowl so that my cake fits in right into the bowl. I have arranged the cake like this. Now I would just add the syrup which is there in the can of the pineapple to make it more moist. Now that my cake is full moist, now my cream is ready. By then, I shall just chop the pineapples. I shall add these pineapples to the cream. I shall add this to my whipped cream. Now that the final layer is ready, now that my custard is in room temperature, I shall put it over the cake and spread it evenly. Now the 2 layers are ready. It's the final layer to be put. The 3 layers are ready. For this, you can use the canned cherries just to give a color over it. I had few fresh raspberries. I shall use them. This is just an element to give some color, and of course it definitely adds taste to it. This has to be covered and chilled for at least 3 hours. So I shall just chill them in the refrigerator. Now my trifle pudding is set for 3 hours. I shall cut this. Now my trifle pudding is ready to eat. Please do like, share and subscribe.